Hello friends, welcome back to Azure 204 Lab 2 Exercise 3, and in this video we'll create a function app that triggers on a schedule basis. Okay, so here is the lab scenario. We are done with the exercise 1, we are done with the exercise 2 in the past videos, and here we'll talk about the exercise 3, which says create a function that triggers on a schedule basis. So basically like it's a kind of your batch program that runs on a particular time. Okay, so let's go to the Microsoft website where we have all the instructions. So here we are at the exercise 3. It says create a function that triggers on a schedule basis. Okay, now the task 1 is to create a schedule triggered function. So we need to go to the Azure portal, resource group, go to the serverless resource group, and then from there go to the our function app, function logic app, and from the app service blade select the functions options from the functions section, then click on add. So basically now we need to create one more function. Okay, so we'll go to the resource group, then I'll go to the serverless, and here is our function app. Okay, function logic app. Now from the functions, click on add timer trigger. I'll give the name as recurring, and let me get the cron expression. Okay, so this is how it is. I'll simply copy and paste here. Now, if you see the expression, right? So this is how it is. The first star, 0 is second, then you have minute, so every 2 minutes, then you have hour, and then you have month of the day, then month, day of week, year. So this is the expression syntax. But for now, we are like as part of the instruction, this cron job, right? It should execute after 2 minutes. So what I will do is I'll just put as star slash 5. Okay, let me just paste this on here. Create function. Now if you go here to see the result, it says that in the functions blade select code plus test option from the developer section and then go to logs. So I'll just go here and then I'll look for logs from here. Okay, it's here. Let me just make it big. Says connected. So now you can see the logs, right? So this is like when you work on some batch programs, like you have to run some jobs on a particular time, maybe like daily reports or monthly reports, right? That moment you can just go and create a time trigger based function app. Okay, now let's go back. So this is done. Now update the function integration configuration. Okay, so here our task 3 is to update the function integration configuration. So you have to go to function blade, then integration option from the developer section. In the integration pane, select the timer trigger. Okay, and in the edit trigger, let's do this. So this will run the job. It will trigger the job every after 30 seconds. So how to update? I have to go here integration and then timer trigger, right? So it's here and I have to update the cron expression. So now this as part of this expression, it means that we are going to run this particular job every after 30 seconds. So I'll simply click on save, and again to see the output I'll go back to the, so here logs. Now you'll see that, okay, so here is our log. Now it will print next after 30 seconds. So we'll just wait for 30 seconds and then we'll proceed. Okay, if you see here this one, so the last time when it executed was here 7800, and now after 30 seconds 8708:30. Okay, Perfect. Now let's go back to the instructions. It says observe the function that runs now occurs about every 30 seconds. Okay. Review. In this exercise, you created a function that runs automatically based on a fixed schedule. Perfect. So that's it for this exercise. Now we need to work on the exercise 4 in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.